How to join TikTok Creativity Beta Program from any country. We all know that TikTok Creativity Program is only available in few countries, but if you are from other countries, such as Netherlands, Spain, Italy, etc., you don't need to worry. In this video, I will guide you step-by-step process that how can we join without any VPN, and also I will show you the complete dashboard of my monetized account. The very first, open up your TikTok application and go to the login page. You will just make sure to see every step with carefully, so didn't do any mistake. Here you can see I am from Netherlands. Simply tap on it and select that region in which TikTok Creativity Program is available. Like AM, choosing United Kingdom, you can choose as your requirement. Now we will not enter our Gmail or password, simply will tap on Continue with Google. Choose that email on which you want to create your account. Select your date of birth. Make sure that your date of birth must be above 18 years old. Press Next. Create your nickname for your TikTok account and press Continue. And boom, our monetized TikTok account has been created successfully. As here, you can see my dashboard. You can apply this method from any country you are. And this is 100% working method. That's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.